na kuma kiriana ni bwake bombete kwithira baigwa skuru nende atongore babu wete akuruba nyumba 10 baetania na nyumba kwa nyumba nikenda kutiera ana bonde baigwa skuru modiki wetu wanteto mukiri onkonja nowe na ripoti
line with the presidential directives ile ya juzi ambayo alisema kwamba watoto wote wakubaliwa kwenda shule hata kama hawana school fees, hata kama hawana uniform. Kwa hivyo tumeamrisha walimu wetu katika shule za upili kwamba watoto wakiletwa pale wasiweze kuitisha school fees, wenye hawana wakubaliwe kuwa admitted pale bila school fees.
NDCC Martin Muya wanted Segembe North araba bwethite musemanio yo atongoria bonthe bakithomo nibo stakeholders ona kinya ospindi wanterin wenjerand marando ane nyuma ya mutongoria wa Nthiguru William Ruto kuateana bonthe batonye skuru ukethira bena fee kana batina fee kana uniform kana batinio nende anene babokaria bakithithia musemanio nibonete mugana yo arito 40 nibo bankumite skuru kire junior secondary school na kire kiwango ke 60 bari musie ende bakwa bakayukia talia kuria ana babonthe na arabare kenda batira kiwango ke ana kwayana bakwithia betonya skuru.
Challenges tofauti zinazokuba hii sekta ya elimu hapa ikiwamo the major challenge ikiwamo ile ya low enrollment ya watoto katika darasa la grade 10. Hii sub county yetu imekuwa na changamoto kubwa katika kufanya hiyo enrollment. Takwimu zinaonyesha watoto 60% wako nyumbani. Only 40%, 40.2 ndio wamekuwa enrolled katika shule za senior school. Na diposa tumefanya hiki kikao tuweze kujadiliana na kuja na mikakati strategies za kuweza kuincrease enrollment katika shule zetu.
Kando na ukosefu wa fees ama karo ya shule, kuna zile shida ambazo tumeweza kutambua zinafanya wanafunzi ama watoto wasiende shule. Kwanza kabisa ningependa kuhusia jambo la watoto kuingia kwa pools ama zile casino, wanataka kutajirika mapema ama wanataka kupata ile pesa ya rahisi. Sisi tumesema kwamba kutoka leo tutahakikisha kwamba kando na hii town peke yake ya Lare tutadispatch timu zetu za patrols waweze kutoka nje ili tuweze kushughulikia hili chambo.
Kaitene kaunne baritete mukana kiria sari barabena na misie bakwa kaitakara bakaba wata bakaba yukiri matali yake watho na ende nibautuma masibo maturene amwe na antoba nyumba 10 bombe kwithia ni bakuritana ba misina kubaikia skuru.
Tutafanya dhara mop up ya wale watoto ambao wako nyumbani tukitumia wazee wetu wa nyumba 10 village elders na machifu wetu. Na ili to achieve that tumesema tutapewa data ya wale watoto ambao wako nyumbani wote na walimu wetu wa JSS kutoka kesho ili tuweze kufanya mop up door to door ya wale watoto ambao wako nyumbani. Wale ambao watakaidi haya tutawachukulia hatua kulingana na sheria. Na tunaamini tukifanya hii mikakati tunaweza improve our enrollment level from 40 to 100% transition. Sababu hiyo ndio the main objective ya CBE. Curriculum based education.
Wale watoto ambao tutapata vile jamani wetu DCC amesema tutasema ni wazazi ili tuweze kuwashtaki na mambo ya child neglect. Kumbuka wewe ukiwa mzazi ni jukumu lako wewe kupeleka watoto shule.
Nikiripoti Meru TV kumalare Gembe Mbita mukiri onkonja
Sana mukiri onkonja nonto baribotu na njira nyanyiru na tutana mbere na ntetosietu harimi wa muna kamati bairia kuma chogoria isio mbunge Kiamara ni bakuwa ni bokilokira Kinyamara kinene nonto bwa kwasia barabara imbia wa muna Kinyamauri ya iria kuinama bakiromba nende atongoria kubatela nonto ni bokilokira Kinyamara kinene mno ni miari wa timbaru ni urawari vice chancellor wa Chuka University Professor Erastus Njoka. Professor Erastus Njoka wa mwena arimi ni bakuromba kuthondekerwa iwanda ndarakanithi nikenda kuthondeka twanya twangwe ndagara weguna twamanganiti ripoti.
Arimi wamona kamatiberia kuma chogoria gichigo muga Kiamara bakiariberesete mathina maraba gukorokera ojore mukaririgite wawere kimochoi
batue ni tukurukagira mathina maingi twi potash beria muno njira ile tugendaga njira yu tembega ni njira tukulukagira tugiturageria zaidi na bei elia batugwatanire bei itie ni tudinikaga kama tuelia akiria walubia nawe murimi akiria wa 50 tine tuinyagirwa ni bwa antu beto na tukegwe twinyirite no nturire elia riu rietika njukirie murimi no nindira no ninkaria
tio ona mbeca iria tukugurirwe elia no nini na no katwingira mbona giongerwe kana the bio iu turi tukuewa twingioya no ntu gukuno butore ndirie twinyarire tutena iraga jia gutwira muntu ri mwana nika kugura akodia kagura na rara kagura ria no enderia riri kejo usomekete buru
agaba kiroma ntongoria kuma ntare no ko bagwatira no ntiba gukorokera Kenya mara kinene kiriwire no yao
tugwatie ngugino tumbe kuruta ngugino tugwatanirite twi dirikari bare begiteni na ntu bare bakuona kuraja batugwatie ndu eno nikenda tumba kugwatanira nikenda tumba gutetheka no gatuliago mamilioni ende ti tugatigwa na macoin bigibigi okairaida bigibigi ni jiarukangire ni barabara tutura kugura shoku tukagura tia pati ya bigibigi tigo tukio tuonaga ana beto nibo bambere kwingwa na ni ti turaugaruke kodogoma egatukuria atiri dirikari no gabwa tutiganiria atia oi ngabano wetu embweto na the bwa tutiganirie na kidakani tio tulijaganirira ate bio bweja gutusuolira bwena batunati tafadhali gatukolomba atiri thaino barabara jietu ile tukwija tukikamathagira arimbetu beria ni idondekwe turondekelo barabara tusoke na ati twe porters twe kari duende twe lo mibangi yenu ile bubangite
miario wete mbaru nora wa University njara wa Chuka University Professor Asas Njoka
antu mara magirageria makibiraga buria mathinikaga ukethwa matibo ukethwa porters matibo anarimi matitetheka kwa mama ne antu mabata mabati kumenyererwa na kumenyererwa kwao ni kuthondekerwa barabara ikabua no ntulio ndere kwaura ni area ni ritika makaribithwa bikibiki kathuka no ntu barabara timbega riu tukaicuthiriria kabisa no ntu twagire na thirikari ya county ni kenda guntu kubua kana tibua ntu metu riu nkamwira gutuolwa na county government lakini ni mavirite
Professor Asas Njoka wa manarimi baba bakiromba kuthondeka kwa iwanda biaria tharakanithi gutigera kuri na tonya togwira
rutha na twika ngabana ni kuona wa ward ina industry tariu kwenu industry ya mbere ni eria nuntu niro rithagirwa riri kuri onthe garatibu nikenda antu mona wira
agaturondekera plant yetu tingo tutikayunageria tharakanithi kenda tio tingo tumba ku university tharakanithi tutige kunagio tonga bwetu kaunti nontu tufaite tuyake geti
kuma Chogoria mara kiripotera Meru TV rieto kambeta ndagara waigona
Ibwanda Waiguna na tutuna mbere na tito cietu erasta cethokon awite IBC ni kuibangane kiri urungamiri bo ithurano binunu kithomo kia ringi kura na kinya kuciandikithia mbere ya ithurano bia mwaka wa 2027 koloke IBC yuite itongela na itinisia icio mbunge mana yele ya 90.
The commission is currently managing critical electoral cycle activities including by-elections, which we completed the bigger part in November last year. We still have a few more by-elections in Mbeere. We have others in Malava and, of course, Isiolo. And we are also managing continuous voter registration. We are also dealing with institutional reforms. There are a number of laws which we are currently working on to be presented to Parliament. We are also dealing with the challenges around voter education and stakeholder engagement as we prepare for the 2027 general elections. So therefore, what we are telling the nation is that undertaking full delimitation alongside these other competing and equally critical obligations would create significant operational bottlenecks and may, and I insist, may compromise the overall electoral preparedness for the 2027 general election. While therefore aware of such constraints, the Commission has made a decision to undertake limited and phased activities towards electoral boundary reviews without compromising the quality and the level of preparedness for the upcoming general election, which is fast approaching. So the operative word is we have made a decision to undertake phased activities and limited activities towards the boundary delimitation without compromising our levels of preparedness for the 2027 general election. Kenya has 290 constituencies, and that number, the Commission, even if we were to conclude this boundary review ahead of the 2027 general election, and I say if, we cannot increase these constituencies beyond the 290. Neither can we reduce them to below 290, because it's the Constitution that capped them, that placed them at 290, nothing more, nothing less. So would like to inform Kenyans that what any boundary review process will look at is reviewing the names of those constituencies and the boundaries. We can change the boundaries to ensure a constituency with a large number can accommodate, with a smaller number can accommodate some populations from that constituency which carries more populations. But we cannot change the number of constituencies.
Natota na mbere na ntitosieto banki ya CDN rwangirwa meru nibayene matangi ya tano yalitangiri 10 kiri obisi ya CDF tigania matangi yara yeregeriwe kwa skuru mwanya kiri isiombunge kia ile fini asimpodia na urani murwa meri wa CDN Bank awita bayuketi etalere rendire moyo sokia woko na ntubangwa tanirera bedrite barenayo na obisi ya tigania Istimadi kwetu anteto Adam Simuturia wa Dhirinja na kulikipia.
Irenjire ma gucoke guoko banki ya CDN na akaunti ya Meru ibarikite komba kwithake na matangi ya roi kirigishwa mbunge katiganisti matangi ya ombecha kwithake na nkano kiri mabisa wa CDF opichine mbunge wa shwa mbunge katiganisti mporo wa bori araro miri banki ya CDN bakere bawete bawukete talere kenda gutiera maskuru amona kariba shwa mbunge kebe na roiro kunyura kwana na roiro theru
batu turi CDN Bank rera to notice re kwina challenge ya roje ndene ya Tigania East itwa camera hin non toboa initiative yetu ya program ya water and sanitation ira twethirite twikaraga hon in the whole country na batu wetu inaacha monona ku make sure kwina good water kwina roji rwega ndene ya mashukuru ndene ya masibitare nikenda ana bethira bena roji njaga cia kunywa kinya kutheria na arabokara kwa weje ni program ya CDN Bank ya water and sanitation kutigera ito support ananchi na mono aja turi na arua Tigania East ate ne bakuona green water nontubwa kumekishua ibo karabwega na bena ngunde health
kare mokaririgetwa CDF dene gishwa mbunge katiganisti no ara kuramrite mbunge mporo wa bori ibombe cha kwitha becho kire banki nkatho kumba kwitha becho kwigwoko kire akariba ishombe katiganisti bakwa bageta na mbere kwithira bakritani na ngoya monabo
nibwega nontubwa chore beto ba CDN Bank kwithira bache yanete umebonanitio chore baba tapio kwitaniria na wikwe babati wo support nondo bachukurushie to inja chira china dina chendo nyinge muno na twina nkatho pio nondo bakona rwetu kurisima matangi yau ito iko toweretwe muno tokali officials ba CDF Tigania East twina nkatho kabisa nondo wendi bwenu na uchore bwenu kulikithia kona ni umetu endanite na twitani yabo ngwe bwega na bodi antu babata Tigania East twina sehemu nyingi chira china dina muno cherwe especially sehemu cia utero wa IT sehemu cia Muthara chin utero na IT sehemu cia Tigania Central utero wa Ndangatha atithine interesi dashi na yuarine sana na umubune ne muno kirwe sehemu nyingi itemere utumira kinyambo au nyingi ikuonekanao ikwitha kumi sana na mwira ira ciena thina rwe muno inyingi twatethia ngotethio bwenu twa matangi twina nkatho no tukuru chatethuka ntere cionthe ciindikite kirwe matangi akoneka ikwitha kwina mbura rimwe inyingi na nini na kwina mbura nyingi matangi akabata kirwe na narabatethuka bwega
kwibwa sana no kwa Indian Bank no tikona ibwa tukaria kariba Tigania East tene mudhara want ona itubatu otethero na matangi nonto area yetu ni arid an area enjomo sana especially this time of drought tukona bado twatetheka muno turia kariba area abatu na machukuru yetu anabetu na thina sana nonto bakwithirwa tutiria ku receive enough rain kunende nonto tukona matangi haya atuthere saindi itukuigwa sana nonto banki ni ushirikiana na mheshimiwa Mporo Abori ikona eti tukendelea kunyoro huyu
na tukendelea kutetheria na njira cionthe ira tumba ki partnership ira twithirite twina cio na Tigania East kinya ku manage their PMC accounts ici tumite twethira twina relationship nyingi na yaku mono na tuketa na mbere twi supportana na twi make sure ana betu na mashukuru jetu cia kuona enough good and clean water.
Nkiripotera Meru TV kumatia Mbechanda Msimuturia wa Threnja.
Sana Adams na principal wa Nkabone Technical Madam Penina Ngina na uritie baramba direte form 4 utonya kile skulu cio bundi na otiane kenda bakaiwatira kosi mwanya na nto mutaratara yo skulu ni yotira bari na mauditani jaraba kubatara na kinyani bakomba kusiandika ngwe bobongo mandikweto anteto mutugyo kyambi na wikira kirore
Ondira nayo thirikari yanjirite gwikira nene kithomo kia modularization kiri cukuru cia TVET janthigurune mutaratara jo kuinyiria nene kithomo kia utea Penina Ngina Musila uria ni mwarimu munene wa cukuru ya Nkabone Technical akiuga mutaratara jo ni jo kuamuritwo utea na umenyo bobwingi na kuthondeka twanyota ngugi kuumana na wagibu wa ngugi na ugaruku bwa teknolojia nthigurune.
Modularization is the best thing for students. It is the best mode of training to our modern trainees. Why? Because it is skill-based. It's all practical. We have shifted from being in a classroom to training from a workshop where the students from morning to evening, they are gaining the skills practically. So within 3 months, you are set for the first summative exam. So, and the skills that we shall impact to you are even enough to go and start a workshop on the same.
Penina kinyiriane no batubwari to bararikirie form 4 gwitonyithana na cukuru cia bundi na otea ni kenda bakagwata umenyo mbere ya gwita university.
Encourage those leavers who cleared school to join TVET institutions earliest possible, because the more you are idle at home, the more you will get maybe lured into some of risky behaviors like taking drugs and all that. So parents, bring your students to TVET institution. TVET is the answer to our day's economy, because we are offering skill-based training. So join to the nearest TVET, and I want to encourage those that are near Nkabone to join us, and you will get skilled.
Penina kwaragia nyume ya gutariria umbani bwawe na ochamba na kugotoka nyene gatu na kirie kurubathithite bwega janthigurune.
My track record starts at Mitungu, now National Polytechnic, where after joining that institution, in a term's time, I was appointed to be a registrar, and the first reporting of the population was 130 trainees, and within a year we were at 1300. Then I went to Mbere North TVC to start this college, where I started by even labeling the gate and the building so that people can know this institution is called Mbeere North. I gave myself targets to achieve. One of the targets that I meant that time is to ensure that the college is registered with TVETA, and the courses that we were to offer will also be licensed by the same body. After 2 years at Mbeere, I moved to Ngaboni, and I want to appreciate my bosses who saw it good that I come and be a principal at Ngaboni TTI.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gĩcigo bunge kĩa North Imenti, Mbeita Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Na riboti ya Mutugi wa Kiambi ni tukira katanta kirinta tosieto muthenya Januari nkatha cia mwanya kiri barabonde bombo kinyanithia mteto cia Meru TV muthenya ngakondera kaita kathongi mbeta watiri mbabu.